one of my friends asked me how to solve this question. Okay, and this is supposed to be a primary school question. But before I solve this question, I would like to bring your attention to a similar question that I ever I have ever done before. So the question says it's similar. So the question says use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to fill up the table below such that the horizontal or vertical or diagonal sum are the same. Okay, so the idea here, the idea to solve this question is the middle number is 5. Okay, so it's very important to put 5 in the middle. Okay, in the middle of this entire table. Okay, and then what you can see is if the 5 is in the middle, and then the horizontal sum or the vertical sum or the diagonal sum, okay, is going to be equal to 15. Okay, the reason is if you observe the entire set of numbers here, you will realize that you have 1, 5, 9 that will give you 15, and then 2, 5, 8 will give you 15, and then 3, 5, 7 will give you 15, then 4, 5, 6 will give you 15. Okay, and yeah, so this is the only possible uh, combination that you can get 15. All right, so given this idea, right, given this idea, so therefore what you need to note is if 5 is in the middle, then the sum of the diagonal or the sum of the vertical or the sum of the horizontal has to be 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Okay, okay, all right, so therefore I'm going to use this idea here to solve this question. All right, so for this question, if I put x here, so the sum of this diagonal should be 300 plus x plus m should be 3 times x. Okay, it should be 3 times, just like the the the, the approach just now. If you put 5 here, the sum of the diagonal should be 5 times 3, which is 15. So in this case, the sum of the diagonal, which is here, this one, I'm going to use a highlighter. So 300 plus x plus m is should be 3x. Okay, so with this, right, with this, I think you can figure out 300 plus m is equal to 3x minus x, which is 2x. Okay, all right, and then another way to do it is the sum of the horizontal, which is here, should be should be what? Should be 3x. So it should be 3x. Okay, so over here should be 3x, right? Okay. Therefore, your middle number for this should be 3x minus 500. Okay, okay, okay. Because like I say, the horizontal or vertical or the diagonal sum should be 3 times x. Okay, just now is 3 times 5. So right now I assign the middle number to be x, so it has to be 3x. So therefore, the middle number here, right here, should be 3x minus 500. Okay, because 300 plus 200 is 500. So therefore, I think you can get the answer pretty fast. So 3x minus 500. So I'm going to look at the vertical sum now. Okay, so the vertical sum is 3x minus 500 plus x plus 100. And the vertical sum is also 3x, right? So therefore, you can solve this by cancelling 3x on both sides, and you have an x here, and you're going to bring this, okay, you're going to bring this over, then you will get minus 100 plus the 500, so x should be 400. Okay, and then with this, right, so if x is 400, so I'm going to erase this. If my x is 400, okay, and I know that the diagonal sum is 400 times 3, so it's 1200. So your m has to be right. Your m has to be 1200 minus 700. So in this case, it's 500. Okay, so that's how you solve this question. Bye bye.